Hello everybody, welcome back to another video, and in today's episode we're going to be doing something a little bit different from our iOS and Windows Phone shenanigans. Here I have an Android phone, and I haven't had one since a very long time. If I recall correctly, it might have been 2018 or 2019 since I last had an Android phone as my main phone. And this right here is a Samsung Galaxy Note Edge, and I have it here. It has a little crack on the top, but it goes around the camera. And I have got a new battery inside because this is a removable back cover phone. And here it is, still charging, but you turn it on. Here is the welcome screen. I'm going to press start. Yeah, I'll just skip this. And we will accept the EULA. And let's see, adjust the date and time. Wow, 2018. Isn't that crazy, huh? Need to put the correct date here. Can I go out? Oh, don't I have to go through the whole thing? Okay, give me a moment. Never mind, I found out you can press that thing and just scroll up. So 2025. You know what? Let's make it 2026 so that you can just go back 1 month. And this is the date right now. And the time, what is the time? The time is 3:40 p.m. and we're gonna press next. And a name, sure, why not? We'll just, if the keyboard will come up. Okay, this is running Android 6.0.1 as far as I know. So just put Ali and the Google services, which looks good. I think it'll want me to sign in. Samsung account, no thank you. And here it is, easy mode, no thank you, finish. This looks pretty nice. I do like the old Android. Oh wow, look, so this is the Edge, this is the first Samsung phone to come with that edge where it kind of curves over there, as you can see. And right now it's teaching you how to do it. So you swipe the handle to open the quick tools panel, swipe the edge screen to select the panel, and swipe the edge screen up to go to the settings. Nice. Ooh, nice, that's cool. Does this turn on the flashlight? It does. Turn off. And it also turns that off. Awesome. And this brings up the settings, which is like right there. And let's see. This looks nice so far. We press this. I don't really like these rounded app icons. I do prefer the old, slightly older Android where they're kind of square, but not super old Android where they don't look that nice and it's kind of ugly. You can see the edges here, you swipe up and it still comes up. Oh, and yeah, these are swiping between the panels. Oh, nice. Check out all this preloaded stuff. It is cool. I will just sign in to my Google account to use the Play Store, experiment around a bit, and I'll come back and let you know. Alright guys, we are here with the phone. It has charged up to 80%. I have signed into my Google account, disabled some bloatware, and even set up password and fingerprint recognition. And I just gotta say, it's really nice. I do love that this style is still kind of where phones used to be fun, and this thing is like kind of cool too, this edge screen. Still kind of getting used to it. Haven't used Android in a long time, so it's nice. And I just love the things like these default wallpapers are really like cool and fun instead of the boring bland ones we get today. The icons, the sounds, like just listen to this. Yeah, just listen to this. Stuff like that, and even like this, when I take out the pen, and then I put it back. It's nice, it's pretty cool. And I already like set up some stuff, like I said, but I do want to explore some of the built-in apps with you guys, though it did open the Play Store for me, and when you do that, it'll come up with that, and then you get out, and you can't do anything. So I'm probably gonna have to get an APK to manually update that. I did, however, manage to turn off auto app updates, so we won't update these built-in apps, such as the cool Google Play Music, which I did already open because this is one of the apps I love. And of course, it comes with a song already, Over the Horizon, which is that Samsung ringtone. There are a lot of variants of this. This is like it is that one. It's nice. I don't know what to call it though, but it is nice. What else do they got? Let's explore. Google Plus. Wow, that is a long time ago. This does not work. Oh, that is so cool. That is so cool. What if I press cancel? Okay, it just kicks me out. For some reason, Gmail always crashes. So I managed to log into the built-in email app, and that works. So what a shame. That it does look like a nice interface. Yeah, I also changed the font, which is kind of cool that you can do that on Android. Google Hangouts, that's a long time. No connection to the server, of course not. But that UI and this, it's nice. Even the Google Play games, there's nothing here, nothing loads. It also gave me an error. Yeah, Google Play services has stopped. I guess either it has to update stuff or it just doesn't work anymore. What else do we got? This YouTube, look at this. You open this, that is so old. A new version of YouTube is available. Install it now from the Google Play. That is very old, let me tell you. There's some smart remote thing, which I did look around the phone and I see this, which I think is some emitter, this thing, that might allow it to act like a TV remote, which I think is kind of cool. Let's see what happens when you open it. Location, oh, why do you need the location? Oh, TV provider, why? No, do not have my location. No, do not access that. Let's go. Stop it. Okay, I guess I need it, but okay. That might just be a TV app, but you might be able to get some remote app from the Play Store that will let it work, I guess. Let's see, what else do we got? Play movies and TV. Come on, this technically still exists, right? Get started. It's not available in my country. Although I think it is. What about play books? Will that work? Sync is turned off for this app. Sure, you can turn it on. Oh, this is nice. When Google used to be nice. Oh, see, this does work. Okay, I'll skip this for now. Turn it back on. So it kind of works. I mean, it showed recommendations, Google Photos. I'll probably check that later and stuff. But for now, this does look good. What is Pen Up? Access my contacts? I mean, okay, but why? Share your drawings. Oh, that's cute. I wonder if this still works. This might work. Go to welcome screen. Wow, is this like working, or is this like they give it to you with the app? Comments, what are these comments? Select the drawing tab and you can send a drawing as a comment. Yeah, when is this date though? I don't think this is. Yeah, see, join drawings. So if I take out the pen, get rid of this please. You can see that dot. This actually has pretty good recognition. Oh, that is nice. That's a cute app. I wonder what this button does. What does this do? If I press and hold this button, what does it do? Is it like an eraser or? Okay, if I press it, it stops drawing. Huh. Now if I press it, does it change the color? It does not. So I guess that deactivates it. Maybe the phone presses the button to deactivate the pen, huh? Strange. Anyways, cool app. I don't know if it still works or not. Not too keen to find out. Flipboard might work. It should work. I mean, it works on Windows 20.1. I'm not gonna bother with Dropbox, but that might work too. And about the rest, I think it's pretty good. What is this? There's so many S stuff. S Health. Sure, why not? Yep, I agree to all of this. Samsung account. Nope. Okay, so it's just like MSN Health and Fitness. So, I mean, the UI is pretty nice. Press and hold the back key to show multi-window tray on screen. Whoa. What is that? Press and hold the back key, yeah. To open an application, drag it onto the main window. What do you mean? Yeah, come on. What is this? Whoa! What? This is so shocking. I never had this before. Even with my old Android, I didn't get this. It's like a little multitask window. It's like, this is like multitasking. Wow. I don't know what to say. I'm speechless. How do I get this out? Go away, please. How do I delete this? Oh, I made it bigger. How do I make it smaller? What? No, why are you leaving the screen? Come back. Okay, oh, you have to press the button. Now come back. Press the button and then the X. Okay, there you go. That is nice. Profile name, no thanks. Let's get out and see. There's a Galaxy store. Wonder if this will work. Probably gonna ask me for a Samsung account. Yep, no thank you. And we'll go down here and we'll see S Note. I think that is something I already opened but didn't touch because, yeah, S Note. Okay, I closed that menu by accident, but okay. So I guess this is like the Notes app, but you can draw. Come on, add a new one. Ah, okay. That is nice. Hello. Draw a little smiley face. That's cool. Okay, pen away. Let's see. Let's go back here and there's a music app. So, what? Why will the music make phone calls? For what purpose? Yeah, that one makes sense. Okay, this one kind of. The location, why? My contacts, for what? Okay, here's that music again. Oh, I forgot to show that when you play music, it shows on this edge thing, so... Yeah, I wonder if you can customize that text. There might be a way. We'll take a good look at the edge later. Let's see. Yeah, see when you go to... Not that. When you go to the music app and you play something, it shows up here. Okay, where's the music? Yeah, see? And then you can pause it. And yeah, it's nice. It's like you can switch between these, but again, more on the edge later. Let's see what else we got. That actually might be okay. S Planner. I'm guessing this is the calendar, but with an S. What did S stand for? Smart? I'm not sure. I think that's it. How well does the internet hold up? Internet. Secret mode. Ooh, secret. Okay, that's enough. Let's go over here and go to our simple Google or YouTube. Why not YouTube? This page will be opened using the YouTube app. No, it will not because it does not work. I might have to update it. Hopefully it works then. Let's see. Come on, load the YouTube app. iOS 10 can do it. Okay, guys, I don't think YouTube is loading. I gave it a while and it's not doing anything, so goodbye. So internet's pretty mediocre. Otherwise, it's pretty okay. I don't know about making calls. I didn't put my SIM card in it yet. For built-in apps, it is pretty nice. Might have to update some stuff though and then it'll work, but if you're just looking at this out of the box with the Android 6, it is nice. It is pretty basic, but with these old phones, again, jailbreaking, side loading, all this stuff, updating stuff, just will make it more usable. So I will be doing that later and just playing around with this more, and there should be more videos coming on, Android stuff soon too. Alright, now it's time to look at the edge. So you can see, again, curved glass, easy breakpoint by the way, so I'm glad that that's up there and not over here. So you can just see that if you swipe between these, you change between the menus, and I think you can add more menus, and this is, again, the toolbar it showed us. What is this? It's just a ruler? For what? Imagine you're in class and you're like, oh miss, I forgot my ruler, but don't worry, I got my Samsung Edge phone. Anyways, apps over here, I wonder if you can change these, maybe in the settings, because there's a settings button. So edge screen. So there's manage panels. Oh, you can enable and disable stuff. What is this? That might be email. Okay, step counter, contacts. There's stocks, looks like, some Android thing, some scores, and some news. Oh, and you can download more too, but I bet you that takes you to the Google Play, huh? Wait, let me just save that and go back here and then download. May I download some? Galaxy Store, okay. No thank you, not for that, and not for that. Oh hey, this still works, and I don't have to sign in, that's nice. What else do we got? Color filter, something in Arabic, bookmark panel, S Planner widget. Oh, it's like a calendar. That looks nice. What if we download that? Will that work? Never mind, it still wants a Samsung account. Okay, let's see. Express Me, what does this do? Ooh, okay, you can show when the device is locked. So, What will this do? What if I press this button? I can change the image maybe? I don't know, what about this? Oh, that just changes. What does the text say? Okay. Let's see, my Galaxy Note Edge instead. What if we say subscribe? Subscribe. That's awesome. That is pretty cute. Oops, pressed the wrong button. I'm used to Windows Phone back button being over there. So yeah, I'll select this Express Me one. Information stream, what does this do? Get news, finance, and stuff. Yeah, why not? Edge screen text. So there's the text. Galaxy Note Edge, okay. So once again, I can change this to like, because you guys should like this video if you're enjoying. That is nice, that is cute. I'll change that back again. Alright, Edge screen timeout. So why not give it like a couple minutes? Oops, never mind. What is night clock? I pressed that by accident, so. Ooh, it's literally a night clock. Start. Oh, so only 12 hours. Okay. 6 p.m. and 6 a.m. No. I'm good. Why not make it 10 p.m. to 6 a.m.? Yeah, sure. And once again, the timeout, I accidentally set that much. I want this much. Notifications and use Edge screen on left. Set the device to rotate the main screen so you can use the Edge screen on the left. Turn on screen rotation to use this function. Okay, now what? So if I do this, oh, that's nice. Do these buttons work? They are, okay. But they give you some over here. That's interesting. I mean, pretty cool that you can do that. So let's see, let's check out our new panels. So we'll change this and priority senders. I don't know, I don't really care for that. That's the health thing, that's the contacts. Twitter? Server connection occurred. Tap here to add your interest. Yeah, why not? I think this is Yahoo Sports. So I am tapping here. Okay, cool. Siri A. Awesome. And let's choose this one. Oh, it's getting the latest stuff too. Okay. Yeah, why not? There you go. We love Inter Milan. Let's go. And if we go back, let's go. Nice. It's guiding the information and then checking for news updates. Network not available. Well, that's expected. Maybe needs an update or just doesn't work anymore. But that's pretty much it for the Edge screen as far as I'm concerned. I don't know if you can change those apps. You probably can, but I'll have to check that out later. But this is pretty cool. You get shortcuts and tools and all that and all of this. And it just tucks itself away. Go away, Flipboard. For your convenience. And it's very nice. So I think that's pretty much it for this. But for now, this is just the first look at this Samsung Galaxy Note Edge with Android 6 in 2025 as a stock thing with nothing updated. It's just a stock, but yep, there it is. And it's nice. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Comment, like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next one. Goodbye.